Let's fucking go. $79, $80 on MMQ right here, guys. Let's fucking go. So the hourly on SPY has a nice reversal candle here. Let's fucking go, guys. I just saw 12% here. So we're eating on both accounts. I took shorts on the futures trading account, and I'm also in shorts on SPY, man. Price target just hit, guys. Now we're up $63 instead of $9. So let's fucking go, guys. Come on. So now our YouTube has 555 subscribers, guys. Good morning, my fellow traders. You already know what time it is. 4:38 early in the morning, and we got to go hit the gym before we hop on the charts. Let's go. Good morning. So the market just opened at 6:31, 1 minute after the market just did the bell. And so far, I got a couple stocks on watch today. AMD, SPY, and that's pretty much it actually. So we're gonna see what they can do. Apple's here is at support, so maybe even Apple too. And I'll add a trade if we can catch a trade. I already updated both Discords, let them know what I'm looking at. Mostly just AMD and SPY. Apple, I might try to catch a short if it breaks below support. So far, the market is crashing right now. Every stock is freaking booming red, super hard. Look at that drop, man. That's crazy. We also have a futures funded account, or not funded, but we bought one as well. So we're also gonna try to trade this as well. It's currently just at 50K flat. No trades at all on. You guys see the balances right there. So max loss of 48 or 2K. So we're gonna see what we can catch on this one. So far, the market is just tanking. Look at that. Everything is dropping super hard. So market looks pretty bullish here today, bumping on some support. So I did enter on my, I'm up 30, 40, 50, $60, pumping up nicely, $80. Let's fucking go, guys. What am I trading? MMQ. I'm trading MMQ. I'm currently up $50 on that one. Market is pumping here. MMQ looks pretty nice. I'm watching all different time frames, so I'm gonna keep this one, and hopefully we get a nice break for some more highs. So I'm still in these. I kind of messed up a little bit. I'm trying to get a break of these recent highs right here for a breakout, but my entry was so horrible. I forget, you know, I got market order right here, but my entry was so horrible. I did see $80 gain, and market is pumping up here on the stocks as well. I'm trading MNQ right here, and I need a 15-minute candle close above these most recent highs. If this 15-minute candle can close above, then I'll be confident. But so far, if it closes below this general level, then I won't be so confident. We got 3 minutes for it to happen. Other than this trade right here, I have not hopped on anything in my option trading account. Now market is going a little bit bullish here. Let's fucking go. $79, $80 on MMQ right here, guys. Let's fucking go. So we collected out our futures, and I'm glad I did. It's coming to retest this general breakout where I try to get in at that area. I'm going to see if it creates a long way to the downside, and maybe I'll re-enter in again. And I'm only up $39 on that specific trade. So that's pretty much it as far as that one. Lucid's doing decent. It came back a little bit, and this is the level where I played shares at before. So if it can pump again up to about like $3.50, that'd be solid. But who knows, man? This is pure speculation. I don't recommend anybody to get in. People on my Discord are talking about it, but I'm telling people, guys, do not freaking get into it like at all, man. This candle closes in 2 minutes, and why does it look good, man? Long way to the downside. I like that. So I'm in another long on MNQ, shooting for recent highs over here. As you guys can see, my most recent, I'm targeting this general area up here at this very tippity top, and stop loss is that most recent breakdown of that candle close. 5 minutes looks pretty decent too. I'll show you the 5 minutes. But 5 minutes is creating a long way to the downside. If it can push up here, that'd be nice. I'm not really good plan on trading the stock market. Market's not really doing anything too crazy. I mean, they are trying to go bullish. Don't get me wrong. Apple's here broken above this little Fibonacci retracement and the support level, so it's looking pretty decent. SPY's kind of just going but it also is holding that Fibonacci retracement level. But guys, it's not in my best favor, so I don't know if I really plan on trading that one as much. I'm just going to be trading futures for right now. Yeah, candle closes here in about 45 seconds. There we fucking go. Nice little break. Held that little support area, and now we're pushing up nicely. Now we need to break the most recent highs on the 5 minutes, and we'll see a nice climb. Market is also pulling back here a little bit. As you guys can see, some red candles, long ways to the upside on a few as well, and some are just chopping around. So I might actually have to get stopped out here for a small L on this one. Still, it will be profitable. Even if I sell it for $10, $20 loss, I'll be up only like 19. I had to sell that hoe, man. That shit popped down. 5 minutes looking a little weak. Long weeks to the down upside, I mean. Yeah, man, now I'm only up $9 on the fucking day on futures. Option trading, I don't think I'm going to take any option trades. Look at the market, guys. It's just like, what is SPY doing? Okay, I'm glad I'm not the only one that thinks this price action is literally horrible. Not only on here, but I guess you could say even the futures market. Like, what is going on, man? We're supposed to fucking pump on this shit, dog. Nice little breakup, recent highs. 5 minutes is just fucking me up. Other than that, I don't think I'm going to trade. Let me set an alert on Apple here. So no trades for me today, only on the futures account, guys, and we're only still up $9. I don't really plan on trading anything today. Price action is horrible, and I'm not the only one that thinks that. But I forgot to mention and show you guys how our YouTube is doing from last night, as well as what's going on with today. So now our YouTube has 555 subscribers, guys. We just bumped up 50 subscribers super fucking quick, man. And a lot of you guys are commenting on our vlog, so I appreciate you guys. You guys see, we got 2 comments there, or at least one I just replied, and then 2 comments here, and I replied. Another comment, another comment, another comment. So I appreciate you guys. Another comment, and this is about 3 weeks ago. So I appreciate you guys, man. We're gonna keep dropping these shorts, and guess what, guys? I just used that one AI tool to give me over, man, they dropped me 31 fucking clips. That's insane. 31 clips, guys. I'm about to post all over online. I'm gonna send them to my phone and spend the next hour just uploading on my phone, having drafts and having them ready to drop, because we did stop posting videos since about a day ago, and I have no more clips to really post. A lot of them are actually doing pretty good, guys, no lie. We have 4,057 subscribers, so I appreciate you guys, or followers, so I appreciate you guys following. And then our Instagram, guys, our Instagram's doing pretty decent as well. I do post a lot of stuff all over my Instagram a lot, so a lot of our stuff is a little bit taken off, 170, 150, 140s, and a little bit less than 50s here, a little bit less than 50 there, but again, 100s, 250 here. This is a really good video, and guys, we're gonna drop a lot of sauce today as well, so tune in. 31 videos I'm about to post. Let's get it, man. And I also forgot to show you guys how we did yesterday on the MyFitnessPal app. Guys, we had 900 calories remaining, so we ate at a deficit, which is really good to lose weight. My breakfast was 380, 280 lunch, and a 669 dinner, guys. And I did have a snack, a little protein bar snack. And the way the calories were that day, or the protein was, it's 136 that day for the protein. This is what today's looking like so far. I only have 44 grams of protein, and I just had a breakfast, which was 450. I had a little bit of egg bites and a nice protein shake. Also, I burned 200 calories on the treadmill, so we still have 2,100, and this is my lunch for today. It's a really light calorie day, man. So I'm gonna have a really light lunch, guys. I'm trying to burn some calories, man. 15 grams of protein, 90 calories for this whole thing. I think this is like 180 for 20 grams of protein here, or no, 17 grams, and then also another high protein, 100 calorie, 10 grams of protein there. That's all I'm gonna eat for lunch, so I can be at a calorie deficit. So I'm just gonna download all these clips to my phone, and guys, time is currently 8:16, and I still have yet to take a single trade, guys. Literally nothing going on in the option market, so I closed it down. But I am gonna probably trade some futures today here, potentially for some more. I'm just gonna watch the higher time frames, like the 30 minutes, and guys, you guys can see I'm only up $9. I was up 39, but that's totally fine. It's really nothing. So we're gonna try to catch some more stuff if we can. So while I'm out here chopping up these videos, editing them up, I'm actually in another short position, or not another, but my first short position on the futures. You guys can see my long position failed there, which put me at a $9 loss, and now I'm in a short position to the downside. A little bit risky, only because this could be easily support, but I just like how we're breaking down here. 30 minutes is looking pretty weak. 15 minutes has a little bit of a flag here, but I think it could break down as well. So I didn't take any trades on the option market, not because I'm scared to lose, because yesterday was a losing day. It's because I'm a patient trader, and I don't want to force a trade if there's literally no setups. Now, I'm very confident that I can make up for the loss from yesterday very easily, considering that it was only a $39 trade, and usually a single trade can easily gain me over 30 to 50 to 60 to even $80, sometimes even 100 depending on the setup. And so for right now, I literally don't see any setup. So I'm going to be a cautious, patient trader like I usually am, and wait for a trade setup to come in my favor. Now, I will head out here pretty soon to go help my mom out one more time, and even probably tomorrow as well. But then the rest of the week I'm off, and I will be helping in the Discord, going live with the free members, as well as even on the premium members as well, catching some good trades with them, calling out some good trades with them as well. Keep up on this funded account, and I'm going to keep trading on this funded account, try to get funded as well, and just trade both ways, man. Why not? It's fun. It's always fun to trade on futures and on a stock market option trading, but so far I just don't see nothing. So let's edit up these videos so that we can post them online, because they are a little bit old, as far as like I can tell how unconfident I was speaking about all these things, as far as like just being on camera and recording myself. I was very shaky and all these other things. So it's pretty funny to actually see my old video pop up here. I'm gonna take my laptop with me. Got a nice little laptop case, perfectly fits, nice and cozy for my boy. So I literally do not have much to do there today. That's why I'm gonna bring my laptop with me and just end up working there for a little bit, as far as editing videos and posting those clips, because they're unedited, a lot of space, a lot of pauses in between them. So I'm gonna have to edit all those things out and add my own little touches to it. And I got my nice little laptop case off Amazon, man. It's pretty nice and sleek. So that's all I'm gonna take with me. And let's go get this shit done, man. So the hourly on SPY has a nice reversal candle here, especially it's even retesting kind of like the pre-market-ish area. So I'm in some puts, guys, currently up only like that much, so it's really nothing. I saw 5%, but I'm still gonna hold it. Price target is going to be 581.50. I forgot I was in shorts on my futures account, open it up as well, and it's looking pretty nice, man. Targeting those recent lows or those recent reaction areas. So let's fucking go, man. Let's fucking go, guys. I just saw 12% here. This shit's about to drop, man. Come on, this shit's really about to drop, guys. Come on, man. Guys, we're eating on both accounts. I took shorts on the futures trading account, and I'm also in shorts on SPY, man. So we're eating nicely. These are my orders right here. As you guys can see, I took 5 of them for 76, sold 4 of them at 84, and I'm still in one last one for a nice drop down below. The only thing that's a little bit scary is the fact that we might just be retesting this general area right here. Sorry, it keeps on moving, but we might just be retesting this general area right here for some support, and it could easily bounce, which is kind of what's happening now. But I'm in one last trade. It's not going to hurt too bad if it does do a little bit of a push here, and then I just sell it for a loss on this one. So I actually had to sell that one for a loss. That thing ended up reversing back here, and look at my orders, man. I bought 5 of them for $76, sold 2 of them or 4 of them for 84, and the last one for $63 L, and it ended up reversing, which is totally fine. Same thing going on with my futures. It's trying to reverse here, but I'm still gonna hold on to MMQ. Price target just hit, guys. Now we're up $63 instead of $9. So let's fucking go, guys. Come on. I'm a fly soldier. I'm a fly true. So I'm literally only up $19 ever since that trade, man. I only bought 5 of them for $76, sold them at 84, and one last one at 63 for an L. But I did bring my laptop after I scanned these paperworks real quick, and I'm gonna trade as well, even work on videos. So let's get it, guys. Let's fucking go. That shit pushing. So 1:37 p.m. I could have went home a long time ago, to be honest. Actually, I could have went home at like 11:30, but I decided just to do some editing there. I even traded some futures. We're up $78 on the futures and only up freaking $19 on the stock option chart, guys. I'll show you guys all my trades today, show you guys what I did, and we'll go over a recap as well real quick. So let's head on home. Let's get this day over with as far as editing up all these videos, posting this vlog. So guys, time is currently 4:17. I am just also trading futures here. I'll show you guys here in a second my profits and losses from today, which we did amazing. And I'm also editing up those videos still so I can send them to my phone and then do the whole process of scheduling them. So let's get right on it, guys. So this is what it's looking like for me for futures. I got a $78 day on my first day, 5 trades total. And then the second day, which is today, since it closed out already and now it's transferring over to the next day, I'm in a current trade right now and I'm down $14 today so far. I'm currently up right now in profits on another trade that I'm trying to take and get a good gain. And this is my trade stats for right now. So total P&L all together, $63. Trade win percentage is 57%. Before I even took these first 2 trades, which is today, man, I would have been at 80% here, but it doesn't really matter. Average win, $27. Average loss is $15. So I got to get that up a little bit better. And this is my profit and loss factor right here. You guys see $45 loss, $108 win. And so far, guys, that's what's going on, man. It says most profitable day, which was Monday, which I don't think I guess that's true. And then Tuesday is today, I guess. So that's what's going on for my futures account. Let's try to run these numbers up, guys. Right now, I'm in another trade right now. So let's go to the charts and show you guys what I'm trading. Trading some MNQ. And right now, we're trying to get a nice move to the downside for a $44 profit or a $22 loss. So that's why, yeah, that's what we're shooting for, guys. I'm gonna try to hold the price target. So my issue when I first began futures trading was the fact that if I took a $200 loss on the day, I would still go in for some more and end up losing even more. So that's how I blew my account. As well as I used to not trade the micros. I would trade the big bad boys, the NQs, the ESs, not the MNQ, not the MES. I would trade the big bad boys. And so this time I'm gonna do a little bit different. I'm gonna trade MNQ since it does move pretty nicer than MES. And I'm gonna play a little bit safer, have better restored trades. And I'm not going to overtrade. If I take a big loss on the day, let's say for an example, like $50 to $80 or $100, I'm just going to call it good and not trade anymore. That's what I need to be disciplined on because it's so easy just to get in and out of trades when you're trading futures. It's so easy if you have 50K in your account or 2K, I guess you could say, because you can't lose more than 2K. You would end up trading a lot more than you should. So even with option trading, when I take a small, $50 to $80 to $100 loss, I stop there. That's what I do, and that's how I keep my losses small as well. If I keep over trading, it's gonna turn into a $100 loss to a 150 to a 180 to a 220, and I've seen those. I've had those days before, so I'm gonna chill out when it comes to doing that. I want to get funded. I would love to take some payouts here and there on the side. That'd be kind of fun and nice. And we're gonna play it safe, guys. I think we're gonna shoot for risking like $20 to $50 on a loss for a trade and trying to gain about over $100 on a gain. So risk to reward ratio, I don't know what the factor is. It would be like 2 to 1 or whatever, 1 to 1. I don't even know, guys.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
All right, guys, so the time is currently 7:06 p.m. We're going to wrap up the vlog here and call it a day. I hope to see you guys in tomorrow's video, as well as watching and leaving a comment down in today's YouTube. Now, we are killing it. We have over 560 on our YouTube, and we have over 32 members, 35 to be exact, in our Discord. So I hope you guys join. Click the link in my bio and go on my website and join the free server, guys. Somebody just joined today as well, so shout out to him if you came from YouTube. Shout out to Cody Badge, and we're going to try to live trade tomorrow, catch some good gains. We did good in the futures, barely did anything in the option market, but we're still going to try to catch some good gains. Tomorrow's Wednesday, so let's see what we can do for the rest of this week. Not too sure exactly what's going on with the economic news reports, but I'll keep myself updated, make sure I don't get caught up in the news. I hope you guys have a good rest of your guys' day.